It's going to be a hot day today. It's nice out there though this morning. Take a look at all the cameras. You know, you can tell we're getting closer to fall because sunrise is getting later and later. Still, most of the cameras very dark. You can see though outside from our roof cam that, yeah, we've got some cloud cover out there. We'll just call it mostly cloudy this morning. Temperature starting off lower 70s, around 71. We may drop a few more degrees. I think we'll start off around 69, 68. Record low 57 set back in 1945. We've got a considerable amount of high cloudiness. Also a little bit of some low cloudiness approaching from the north and east from what's left of Nicholas over to the east. Temperature was down to 70. We're now at 71. 70 may be our low for the morning. 60s in the hill country, Bernie 68, Hondo 68, Kerrville around 66, Fredericksburg 69, 70s down to the south and to the south and east. All right, we've got a really weak pattern in the atmosphere. Here is Nicholas and what's left of Nicholas. Just going to spin about in East Texas and Louisiana. We're still bringing a lot of rainfall. I do think eventually we'll see a little weak disturbance on Friday, maybe a slight chance for rain. And then as we head into the weekend and next week, I think we'll have hit and miss showers primarily not because of any kind of disturbance, but primarily because of increasing moisture in the atmosphere. So maybe a 20% chance. Let's take a closer look at what I think is going to happen. All right, notice the red here. The red is lift in the atmosphere. The green is rain. We're going to be kind of moisture starved a little bit on Friday, but we'll have a little vigorous little system coming in on Friday, so maybe a 10% chance of isolated showers. And then every day after that, maybe a 20% chance. And then a big system comes across the U.S. that's going to drag a cold frontal boundary in here. Pretty decent chance of rain for midweek. And then behind the front, maybe a little cooling for the end of next week. I think that'll be nice. All right, for today, highs in the mid-90s, partly cloudy skies. I think tomorrow we'll be in the mid-90s again, kind of partly cloudy to mostly sunny. And then on Friday, take a look at this. The little weak disturbance that I was showing you, I mean, literally just kind of hit and miss. So I'm going to give it maybe a 10% chance on Friday. Here's what's left of Tropical Depression Nicholas. Matter of fact, this is going to be the last advisory from the National Hurricane Center. Still quite a bit of rainfall around Louisiana, and a lot of the computer models have it kind of coming backwards. So anyway, I think this is just going to spin itself out across East Texas and Louisiana over the next couple of days. Good chance of some development, maybe affecting the East Coast over the next several days. Real nice disturbance coming off of Africa, 90% chance that that will develop. If it moves north of the islands, probably an East Coast issue. If it comes into the Caribbean, well, we may have to watch that way down the road. All right, 85 noon, the temperature for a high, 94, partly cloudy, hot. Next couple of days, mid-90s, partly cloudy and hot. And maybe a 10% chance for Friday, 20% for Saturday, Sunday, and a slight chance for Monday.